Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add Spotify Connect to Sonos speakers, explained clearly and step by step, so you can control your music directly from the Spotify app. Step 1. Check compatibility and requirements. Make sure your Sonos speaker supports Spotify Connect and that you have an active Spotify account. Spotify Connect works with both free and premium accounts, but premium is recommended for full control. Step 2. Connect Sonos to Wi-Fi. Ensure your Sonos speakers are set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone, tablet, or computer. You can confirm this in the Sonos app. Step 3. Update the Sonos app and system. Open the Sonos app and check for system updates. Keeping your Sonos system updated ensures Spotify Connect works smoothly. Step 4. Open the Spotify app. Launch the Spotify app on your mobile device or computer and sign into your account. Step 5. Start playing any song. Play a song, playlist, or album in Spotify. Once the music starts, tap the Devices Available or Connect icon at the bottom of the screen. Step 6. Select your Sonos speaker. From the list of available devices, choose your Sonos speaker or room. Spotify will instantly switch playback to your Sonos system. Step 7. Control music with Spotify Connect. Use the Spotify app to control volume, skip tracks, change playlists, or switch rooms. Your phone now works as a remote while Sonos streams music directly from Spotify. Step 8. Disconnect or switch devices. To stop playback or switch to another speaker, tap the Devices Available icon again and select a different device or your phone. That's how you add and use Spotify Connect with Sonos speakers in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy step-by-step audio and smart home tutorials.